the projects, then projects, then feed and relationship, master detail relationship, new. That's the kind of data type. I want to establish a master detail relationship between accounts and our custom object called project. So, and I'm picking accounts now. Then I say next. Then I let it be. Then next. Next. Master detail relationship is always required. So next. Then the page, everything, every other thing is here. Let me save and say new. Save new. That is another one. Contingency. Yeah, let me do contingency. We have people in finance. Contingency simply means after you've estimated what is going to cost you to run a project, and there are unforeseen circumstances or expenses that just come up along the line, then you can create a feed whereby you can have those little stuff what you didn't budget for, kind of another additional cost that comes up along the line. You can have a particular feed to hold that amount for you, so that when you want to now say the total cost of the project now will now be the actual cost plus the contingency will give you the total cost of the project. That means the contingency it just is additional expenses that you never budgeted for along the line. It happened to your project and all the rest. Now let me now say feed and relationship. And what is contingency going to be now? Is it going to, what type of data you want on your contingency? Currency. Contingency has to do with money, right? Contingency expenses. Contingency. Let's say my distance is it can be much. Let's say 7. And decimal place 2. And decimal place next. Another thing is okay. Next, save new. Then the contact person in that company that we're doing business with. The contact person we have. What type of relationship? We can give it lookup relationship. Let's give it lookup relationship. The person representing the company we're doing the business with, or coming from that company. We need the information of that person. We can give this one lookup relationship. Lookup relationship. Are we still together, please? Nobody is saying anything.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay, so now and lookup relationship now between our custom object project and contacts. Where's contact? Yeah. That means the contact person, the person representing the people we are building solar panel, or we are building smartphone, or whichever, whatever you build in your company or website or software or something we're building for. Then we click next. Then we'll say, we can still name it contact. Yeah, contact person there, so that it won't bring any confusion for us. Then we say next. We say next. We say next. We say save new. Then we need another data type to give to our this thing, which is an email address. We want email address. So that's email address. Email address. Next. Then email address. Yeah, email address. The email address of the person we're doing business with will come up. Okay, let me just have it there and make it optional. Next. Next. Save new. Which other stuff? Then let me do project number. That one's supposed to be there. If you want to auto number, I want every of the project that I do to be, I want the number to be adding up in my hog. I want the number to be adding up. If it's, this is how to create auto number field. I will say auto number field on my custom object. Then I say project number, project number, project number. So far I say it's auto number now. Automatically it will be adding up on its own. Then display format. I want it a display format. Let me copy this. Then I'm going to change something there. Paste it. Let me call this one P instead of A. Project stand for P. Then P. Then I will now starting number should be 1. I want the starting number to be 1. So that it will be 0001, 0002, 0003. If this number of 0 is not enough for me, I can add to it, but it's okay for now. Generate auto number for existing record. If I have an existing record that I've created, like before the one I deleted, if I didn't delete it, it will number it for me. But I didn't have. Let's say if I have, if I don't have, it's still okay. If I have, the system will pull it out and find it for me and number it auto. And I say save new. Into percentage. Okay. Allow users to, yeah, percentage of completion, percentage of then percentage, let's say 3. 3 is okay. I don't need it there. I don't need 0 points there. Then percentage completion, next. Next. Anything they want to describe. Let me save new. Then let me now use I want to enter one called description. I want to make it a test feed. Tests allow users to enter any combination of letters or numbers. Test area allow users to enter up to 255 characters on separate lines. Test area long allows users to enter up to 131,000 characters on a separate line. Test area rich, which is going to be the one I want to use. Yeah. If I want to store, allow me to save, if I want to use encrypted, that means I have people's social security number, I want to encrypt it. I will use test encrypted. Then if somebody's social security number, it will star some of the numbers so that for confidential or security reason, people will not have access, or end user will not know the actual something. Instead of writing number, other one will now be star star star, just like what we have on our phone, password, all those stuff. That is encrypted if it is encrypted. But on the project, we don't have field that I want to encrypt. But this one, I want a situation whereby I can add some link and all those stuff, description of a project or test area log. So test area rich now will allow me to do that, I believe. Then say next. So description, yeah, description. So description there, and then I will say next. I will say next. Let's check how it looks like now. Sales. Then I want to enter some data now on our projects. Where's our project? Okay. Then let me create a new project entirely. Now let me say project one. Again, project one. It's only, I believe we've spent good time together tonight. Let me say two. Let me say on the 17th. Then let me say manager Jack Rich. Let me say estimated hours, 500 hours. Then actual hours, let me say two, let's say 350 hours. We were able to save some hours on the project. That's a good one. Management will be happy that we're able to save good time for them. KJB LLC is one I've created so far. But if it is a new account, a new customer we're doing this project for, you will now say new account. Let me even say new account. Then that means this account, this customer, we've not done this kind of project for the customer before now. Then we'll say account name. We can say now it will take me, that means Tech LLC. We are doing this project for this Tech LLC for the first time. Then who's the contact person from Tech LLC? If they have a contact person with us before now, I can now say, okay, percentage of completion, let's say 75. You see now 75%. Then let's say description, I want to pick red color. Okay, great. Great. Great job. I use red pink anyway. Great job. Uh, then I click save. We've saved this record successfully for the first time. So that's a good one. Our project's custom project object is good, is doing good.
Right, that's a wrap up for today's video. I hope you have picked up some valuable insights and actionable tips in Salesforce ecosystem. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big thumb up. If you found it helpful, I'm Asikola Oshirikan and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.